Hey guys, welcome to my first video. Okay guys, so MF Moyu has made a budget cube. As you can see, I just unboxed it. So I don't know how big is it. I don't know why the box is very big. If I just ordered a MF3, one cube that Moyu has made. See, Moyu. They're cooperated with. Just kidding. This is more from Jiaoxi. I can understand it, but this is the MF3 budget cube that Moyu has made. So I do not will expect much because it's just a budget cube. So let's unbox it. First we have the cube. No plastic wrappings. And you all have this every time you unbox cubes. This, let's see if the bag changed. Okay, so I can't understand. So here are okay. Why did I not? I didn't see that. So here I think the world record holders from China. Oh, this is ugly. Maybe no. Okay, English is time records. Look, Felix and English in there. Lucas Atter, Ho Yomin So. This is a 4x4 because the world record is holding is a 4x4 and average of 3x3. 3x3, bro. Yeah. But really don't need pen flip for now to survive how to solve a cube. Just need to learn from YouTube, and I might do a tutorial of that in the future. So take this one off and let's go to the cube. So here's the cube that I'm telling you. This is really worth much if you're just a starter cuber. And let's see first turns. Let's have first turns. Okay, the first turns. Okay, it's kind of crunchy, but I could go well with it. They also have another one, the MF3 It's black. The stickers are bright. But these colors are not kind of bright, but stickers, they're not that bright, but I'm gonna tell you they're bright in person, but in the camera, no. So, okay. Oh my goodness, it's scrambled, so I'm gonna build it. Okay, so while I'm solving it, it's kind of lucky a bit, but it's really smooth, not really smooth, crunchy, but sloppy, see. But the MF3 I just touched MF3 in my friend's house, and it's really good if I do that. It's moving. So let's check out the mechanisms. So the mechanism is dirty. So that's the mechanism. It has the balloon mechanism, but I don't care. This is so really hard to put it. So, okay, we're gonna do a cube for that. Okay. So I think it's a video over it. That's a full review that I could say for it. I'm just gonna learn how you review it. Compared to my Owl, they're much the same color scheme. But And this is my Qilong. The Qilong, the stickers are smaller than it, so this is my Qilong transparent, and this is my Qilong stickerless. My main for now is this one. I don't know why, but I love it. So yeah, bye.